Welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, would discuss about the testing job opportunities for freshers as well as for experience, and we'll share one of the work from home, the remote jobs also with you. So the very first job opportunity is with respect to the Zilligence company, which is looking for automation test engineer, and they are looking for someone who has got strong expertise in both manual as well as in automation testing. So this would be the job title, test engineer, but this is a purely work from home remote job, and the experience required is 2 to 4 years, and the notice period is immediate to 30 days. So the shift timings will be 5:30 p.m. to 1:30 a.m, and they are looking for candidates from Kerala. This is the first priority, this is the first preference. But if they are unable to shortlist the good candidates from the Kerala, then they'll be looking for outside as well. So you can apply for this particular job opportunity. So the ideal candidate should have hands-on experience in testing simple to complex UI applications along with exposure in API testing, which includes the framework setup, maintenance, and ensure quality across the deliverables. So these are the positions. Then Ultra Shield Technology is looking for professionals to join them, and they have multiple open positions, including QA. So ID project manager, Merns Tech developer, Flutter developer, QA, React Native developer, UI UX designer, business development executive, lead generation executive, and the location is also provided. So you have to send your updated resume portfolio to this particular email address with the position name in the subject line itself. Then this is for the graduates 2025 and 2026 passed out. So this company is looking for hiring engineering graduates, someone who has completed BE, BTech, MTech, MCA from premier institutions to join the growing team in the Bangalore. And the location is Bangalore. And internship stipend would be 35,000 per month. It would be a 6 months of internship, and the joining date is Feb 2, 2026. And if you get selected, then you'll be converted into a full-time role, and they'll be offering you CTC of 8 lakh per annum. So these are the selection process, aptitude test, written test, and you have to send your updated CV to this particular email address. Then there's a requirement for QA engineer, ETL plus API. And here is the link. It's a remote job opportunity. The experience required is 2 to 3 years. So they are looking for someone as a tester who can write the test cases from the requirements, validate data sources, extraction logic, transformation rules, end-to-end data loading accuracy, use AI-driven QA tools to improve automation, coverage, and productivity, can perform API testing, Postman, Swagger, Apache JMeter, SOAP UI, and someone who can apply QA best practices across SDLC, STLC in Agile, Scrum, Waterfall, and hybrid models. And the requirements are also provided someone who has strong SQL skills with ability to write and optimize queries for advanced data validation and diagnostics. So this is more of SQL kind of job as well. So they are looking for someone who has got good SQL skill sets. That's also very necessary. Next is a requirement for the testing professionals, and they are looking for immediate joiners. So Verve Square is looking for testing professionals, and they have got open positions for manual, mobile testing, Salesforce testing, test automation, Selenium, Tosca automation. Experience required is 3 to 7 years, and the job location is Pune. So they are looking for someone who can join immediately. So you can share your updated CV at this email address. Then there is a hiring in Pune, and the role is for the associate QA. Location is Pune, Maharashtra, and you have to work on cutting edge products, learn from your experienced mentors, and be a part of the culture that values innovation and quality. So you can apply here. So what I'll do is I'll put all these links in the first comment of the video itself so that it becomes handy for you to apply to all these opportunities. Then there's one more company which is hiring for senior automation tester, 3 to 5 years, React Native mobile developer, React Native mobile developer lead, as well as a senior position, Gen AI ML engineer, technical consultant, .NET lead, technical consultant, .NET junior. So they are looking for immediate joiners, Pune based or ready to relocate, and you can send your CV to this particular email address, right? Then one more opportunity is there. So let me share the details with you. Okay, so this is with respect to Infosys company, and they are going to hire freshers. So 2025 passed out graduates can join Infosys, and these are all the roles that they are looking that they can apply for. Specialist programmer L3 trainee, 21 LPA specialist programmer L2 trainee, 16 LPA, specialist programmer L1 trainee 10 LPA plus 1 like joining bonus, and a digital specialist engineer trainee 6.25 LPA plus 75,000 joining bonus. So these are all the roles that you can apply. So Infosys company has off-campus recruitment program, and you can apply over here. The last date to apply is December 25, and they are looking for someone who has passed out in 2025. Courses they have completed is BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, MSc, and you should be belonging to these branches: computer science, IT, information science, data science, AI/ML, software engineering, EC, and Triple E, and all related CSIT disciplines. And here is a link that you can apply. You can also refer to your friends. So only candidates from 2025 batch are eligible. So you can apply over here. All right. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates.